After you've cut the piece of carpet, I'm going to show you how to install it on the tack strips on each individual step. Now, after you have your carpet cut, you just want to lay it in place. Make sure it fits right and it's not too long, and then you tuck the bottom edge in behind the next piece of carpet, behind the lower piece of carpet. And wrap it around the step. Make sure that it kind of catches on some of the tack strip. And then you'll need to get yourself one of these, which is just a handheld carpet stretcher. On the set of stairs.